Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not wearing any makeup on my face. That is purely because I'm doing a makeup course where every single day I put makeup on my face. So with putting makeup on your face every single day, I'm not used to that kind of thing. My face is breaking out, so I am just giving my face a bit of a break. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your makeup brushes. Yeah, I've noticed that a lot of my friends and clients and people that come to me for having their makeup done don't clean their brushes, which is kind of shocking because it's very, very unhygienic. So I have to show you guys some of the ways that I like to clean my brushes. Starting off with just general makeup brushes. So this is my makeup, whoops, it's upside down, or my makeup brushes. Some of them are dirty. I am going to be washing them now so that you guys can see how I do them. So the first thing that I like to do to clean my brushes is by using one of these. It's a cotton towel. So I'll take a sheet and I will use this. This is it's alcohol. It's just pure alcohol. Please do not drink this, it will kill you. But yeah, I like to put it in a spray bottle. So this is just like, I don't know, I got it from a plastic shop, but it's so cheap. So basically what I do is when I want to clean a brush, so say I want to clean this brush. I will try and see if I can zoom you up so you can see how dirty it is. Okay, so this brush is really dirty. I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, it's supposed to be white on the tip there, but it is not, it's brown, so it's dirty. So what I'm going to do is, instead of spraying the actual brush, I'm going to spray the cotton roll. The reason why I'm doing this is because when you spray this, you're spraying the glue that is holding the bristles together. That's not very good because it actually breaks down the glue, and then your bristles will start coming out, which is obviously not what you want. So you're going to spray the cotton towel, and then obviously it gets wet, and then you'll go, I don't know how to show you this properly, but you'll just rub your brush on there and then it'll all come out, and you just keep doing that until nothing is coming out of the brush. So you'll keep doing, obviously you'll do this on a table, not on your hand, but yeah, eventually the brush becomes clean, and that is how you clean your brush. For my makeup artist, this is the best way to clean brushes after you see a client. As a makeup artist, you do see a lot of clients, which is why you need to be able to clean your brush really, really quickly, which is the best way that you can clean it. Also, if you are washing your brushes in any of the other ways, it does wear and tear on your brushes. This is the best way that you can clean your brushes. If, for example, you have been cleaning your brushes, sometimes it does stain. So, for example, I have this brush. This brush is completely clean. However, it is stained slightly blue from when I used blue eyeshadow. I don't know how well you can see that, but it is slightly blue. So this is stained blue. The only way that I'm going to be able to clean this is either option A, which is the next cleaning method I have for you, which is using dishwashing soap. This is Sunlight. I don't know if this is available all over the world, but it's literally just dishwashing soap. You put a very, very little bit, on. You can use a brush cleaner, you can use your sink, you can use anything to really do it, but you just put a little drop on wherever it is. I mean, if you want to drop it on here, you drop it on there. You add a tiny bit of water. Do not wet the wood of your brush, because if you use the wood of, if you wet the wood of the brush, then it ruins it, because you know it's wood, and water and wood don't necessarily go together. As well as just the actual, this part of the brush, this plastic part, don't wet this part. Just literally just wash the dirty part. I dropped the brush, oops. Then you rinse it a little bit, it'll become clean, and then you let it dry on its side. I know that there are some products where you can have your brushes hanging upside down. That's perfectly fine. Just do not let your brushes dry this way up, because the water will drip down into the wood, and like I said, wood and water just don't mix. So make sure you're lying them down. I like to lie them on a towel, because then you know, the water drips directly onto the towel and not onto the surfaces where it can come into contact with the wood. So yeah, that is something that you don't do every single day. It'll be quite bad on your brushes if you are washing your brushes every single day. I usually do it once every 2 weeks, but that's only because I am using my brushes absolutely every single day. If you don't use your brushes every single day, then you only need to do this like once a month. But yeah, for those of you who are just washing your brushes at home because you're just using it on your own face, much less, like just once a month is perfectly fine for you. Otherwise, if you're wanting to clean your brushes, do invest in the alcohol spray. It's not too expensive. You can buy a giant bottle, buy it in bulk, and then just decanter it into these little spray bottles. They also have brush cleaners that you can buy from the store, so you can do that if you want, but I know that this way is the cheapest way. I'm a makeup artist, so I'm trying to find the easiest way and the most cheapest way for me, because you know, these things can add up after a while, so that's what I do. If you're wanting to clean things like sponges, these are cleansing sponges that I use to clean my clients' faces. I have 2 of them. Ta-da. The best way to clean these is, also this works the same way as beauty blenders. To do this, you can use the microwave method, where you basically put this in a bowl with warm water and the tiniest little bit of sunlight liquid, and then you put it in the microwave for a minute and then squeeze out all the dirty water, and it is crazy how it works. But yeah, so you can do that. I know that some people have had issues with like their beauty blenders being destroyed or something, so if you're too scared to do that, then you can just wash these in warm water as if it is a dish, literally like in soapy water with your sunlight in it, or the dishwashing liquid. And yeah, that's the easiest way, most hygienic way to clean your sponges. And then the last thing that I have for you is how to clean metal objects, so things like tweezers. This is tweezers that I use for plucking people's eyebrows. There are also other things that you would have with your kit, but this is just the best example I can give you because I'm pretty sure everyone uses tweezers. So best way to clean your tweezers is either A, use some disinfectant. This is something that you get like from like a first aid kit. Like I use Savalon. I don't know if you've heard of that. I don't know if it's available all over the world, but Savalon is a disinfectant. So I just pour a little bit of that in warm water. I usually put a little bit of dishwashing liquid, a little bit of Savalon into my sink with warm water, and then put all my metal instruments and my sponges in and let them soak for a little bit. Then what I do is I take the sponges out, let these soak a little bit longer, and then come back, empty the sink, and then wash these completely with the dishwashing liquid. That's like my standard go-to thing. But yeah, the best way is just obviously soaking this in disinfectant. Another way, a more quicker way, is to again just use your alcohol spray. So again, you just spray that and wipe that clean. That's the quickest way. But you do need to be cleaning this because it's a metal thing. It's sometimes when you pluck someone's eyebrows, you don't often see it, like you don't often see that there's like a little bit of blood there, but often you pluck an eyebrow and there's a little bit of blood. So when you pluck out a hair using this, sometimes there's a little bit of blood from where you've plucked the hair and you don't really notice it, but if that person has something in their blood, like some disease or something, and you go and you pluck someone else's hair, you're going to be giving that to that person. So it's very, very vital that you are cleaning your tweezers. As for people at home, again, I don't know if your family wants to use this and you start using it on yourself and then you give it to your family member, and you know, that's how you can contaminate. Yeah, make sure that you are cleaning your brushes, because if you don't clean your brushes, it'll just cake around your brush. This is a dirty brush, I need to clean this, so yeah. But the makeup will stick around and it's just a breeding place for bacteria. You don't want to be putting bacteria on your face or on your client's face. So yeah, very, very important that you clean your brushes. Yeah, I find it absolutely disgusting if you don't clean your brushes. So please, people, clean your brushes, please. It'll just make everything so much better. Also, when you're putting makeup on with a clean brush, it always comes out better, guys. I'm telling you now, you cannot put makeup on someone with dirty brushes. It's not gonna end up right. Like, especially foundation brushes. This brush already has foundation on it, has leftover foundation from the last client that I had. This foundation, you cannot put on, like, just, I'm not gonna go and put this on myself because it's going to have the foundation from the last person on, as well as all that person's bacteria on. You can't, guys, use any of the methods that I've just showed you today. Please, wash your brushes. Cool. I think that's everything. Hopefully this video helped you guys in some way. Hopefully you figured out a new way to wash your brushes. So other than that, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys.